I'm going to show you the demo of this tin can opener. I bought it from Amazon and it's a good useful product for kitchen and very handy and easy to use. And I am showing you the demo on uh, this tuna container, tuna fish container. And you can see with my one hand I can carry it. Then here place it, then there is a handle. You have to like rotate here with one hand and it started opening it. It's a good handy product and useful for kitchen purposes, and I bought it from Amazon and I am using it from last 6 months. It's a good product, no problem, very easy. See, very easily it opened my tuna fish container. You can see very easily. Yeah, it's a good product. Yeah, link in the description and you can shop now on Amazon. Please share the video, hit the thumbs up and hit the like and comment button. Yeah, see, check the demo. Already my fish container is opened. Yeah, very easy.